Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an error occurred during activating iMessage. If you are using an iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that you have pop message that you have an error occurred during activation in your iMessage, so let's see how can you fix that. So now to fix the issue, you have to make a hard reset or force restart your iPhone. So let's see how can you do that. You have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone first and then open settings and check if your issue has been fixed or not. So go for apps here, go for iMessage or messages here, and here you will find the option of enable and disable iMessage. You just have to activate it from here, and here you can see that my issue has been completely fixed. There is no any activation error here. And once you have done, this doesn't work for you, so you have a simple step more. You have to go to general here, go for answer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, it will reset your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, your cellular, hotspot, Bluetooth, and all of your network setting. It will not delete your data. You can easily try this, and after this, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.